Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through a very amazing comparison. Number one, between Acorns, and number two, Cash App investing. Oh, this is going to be really cool. So whether you're just starting your investment journey or looking to refine your strategy, this comparison will help you choose a platform that aligns with your financial goals. Now, Acorns, let's go ahead and walk you through what Acorns Invest is. So Acorns is simplified automated investing. Acorns is designed for beginners seeking a hands-off approach to investing. Its standard feature roundups automatically invest your spare change from everyday purchases into diversified ETF portfolios. This micro investing strategy makes it easy to start building wealth without significant upfront capital. Now let's walk you through the key features of Acorns. Number one, it offers automated investing with pre-built portfolios based on your risk tolerance. It offers roundups, which automatically invest spare change from linked debit or credit card transactions. It offers recurring contributions, which sets daily, weekly, or monthly investment schedules. It offers Acorns Earn, where you earn bonus investments when shopping with over 12,000 partner brands, and offers educational resources where you have access to financial literacy tools and articles. Then let's talk about fees. Acorns offers three plans. Number one, the personal plan, which costs $3 per month. This includes investment, retirement, and checking account. Then Personal Plus plan, which is $5 per month, which adds features like custom portfolios and priority support. Then the Premium plan, which is $9 per month, which offers everything in Personal Plus, plus investment accounts for kids, estate planning, and more. Now, Acorns is ideal for new investors seeking automated, low-maintenance investing. It's ideal for individuals interested in micro-investing and building habits. It's interested for those looking for integrated banking and investing solutions. Now, let's go ahead and talk about Cash App. Cash App investing is accessible and active trading. Cash App investing caters to those who prefer more hands-on approach. Offering a straightforward platform, Cash App allows you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and even Bitcoin with ease. Here are the key features. It offers commission-free trading, where you get to trade stocks, ETFs, and Bitcoin without fees. It offers fractional shares, where you get to invest with as little as $1, making it accessible for all budgets. It offers integrated banking, where you seamlessly move funds between your Cash App balance and investments. And it offers a user-friendly interface with simple design suitable for beginners. Fees, no monthly fee. It offers commission-free trades. Then Bitcoin transactions may incur fees, very little fees. Now, Cash App is ideal for individuals seeking a simple platform for active trading. It's ideal for those trading and investing in Bitcoin alongside traditional assets. It's ideal for users already utilizing Cash App for banking and payments. In summary, Acorns Invest is perfect for those starting out or preferring a set it and forget it strategy, while Cash App investing suits the hands-on investor seeking a straightforward platform with the flexibility to trade stocks, ETFs, and Bitcoin. So go ahead and assess your investment style and goals to choose the platform that best fits your need. So you can go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.